Hello, guys. How are you doing today? My name is Dr. Dixon, and I am a nuclear physicist. So, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about nuclear physics and what it takes to become a nuclear physicist. I know a bunch of you guys have had questions you wanted answered, and so I'm going to answer a couple of those questions for you. Alright, so nuclear physics is basically using a range of theoretical and modeling methods. You use these to improve the understanding of weapon functions and apply stock assessment. Also, you may be developing and applying science and technology to ensure safety, security, reliability of the U.S., and nuclear deterrence. So, nuclear physics is actually a very important job. They reduce global threats, solve emerging national security and energy challenges. So, a lot of you have been asking me what type of education is required and best schools to attend. So, qualifications and or professional memberships are a must to become a nuclear physicist. Also, you need your PhD, a good honors degree in physics or equivalent, a strong record of scientific achievements, and a bachelor's degree. What you would be majoring in is nuclear physics, which you'll be studying in quantum mechanics, nuclear fusion, nuclear fission, and a lot more with atoms and protons and electrons. So, also some of the best schools. I know a bunch of you guys have wondered what the best schools are. Best schools to attend would be Michigan State is a good one, University of Washington, MIT, and Indiana University. Those are your top four schools for nuclear studies. Also, a bunch of you guys have been asking me what kind of salaries. You can expect anywhere from $80,000 a year to $150,000 a year. It all depends on where you go, what field you study, if it is a private company. That all depends. You can make more than $150,000 a year depending on where you go. It depends whether you're studying weather, like energy, weapons. It basically depends on any of those three. What area of industry do you focus on? Like I was saying, you'll the biggest area would be weapons, but also nuclear energy. You'd be designing weapons, making weapons, and then you would be researching to improve the knowledge of nuclear weapons. So that's basically what type of industry you'd be focusing on, or even improving nuclear technology for power, electricity, stuff like that. Types of companies and institutions you guys would work for. I know you guys wanted me to answer that. You'd be working for atomic weapons establishments or even the Los Alamos National Laboratory. That's another very astounding establishment. So, becoming a nuclear physicist is actually a very important job, but it's also a lot of work, and you have to be very willing to continue in the research and study of physics. So, I'm going to answer. Physics helps a lot in the world. Here's a couple things about nuclear physics you guys might want to know. Nuclear physics is applying science and technology to ensure safety. That is the biggest, probably what I study in personally, because I study and research how to use nuclear technology to, first of all, help energy with electricity, but I also weapons, not to use, but to have in case the U.S. is threatened. And just to let you guys know, I work at the Los Alamos National Laboratory. That is where I do my research, my designing, everything that I do, I use there. So thank you guys. I appreciate all the questions that you guys have been asking me, and I hope I answered most of them. Have a good day.